Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from group 5. My name is Naqia Azzuhra and my friend is Difa Maurina. On today's presentation, we are going to present the material about the instrument of communication. Well, for the very first slide is about the definition of instrument of communication. Well, instrument of communication refer to the ways, means, or channels of transmitting message from sender to the receiver. Instrument of communication indicate the use of verbal or nonverbal language in the process of communication. Whenever communication take place, media or instrument are used there. So, communication instrument or media are regarded as an integral part of communication process. And there are several definitions from the expert. And then the next slide is about the types of instrument of communication. Media or instrument of communication mainly relates to the use of language in communication. So, based on the language used, the instrument of communication can broadly be categorized into two types. The first is verbal instrument, and the second is non-verbal instrument. And oral communication occurs in situation like conversation, telephone talk, interview, presentation, and meeting, as in everyday life, but formally and informally we communicate orally. And there are several forms of oral communication media. The first is face-to-face conversation. Face-to-face setting is possible between two individuals or among a small group of people in an interview or in a small meeting. And then the next is telephone. Telephone talk depends entirely on the voice, so it doesn't have the advantage of physical presence. And then the next is presentation. A presentation has a face-to-face setting, and it is a formal and well prepared talk on a specific topic delivered to a knowledgeable and interest audience. And then public speech. A public speech has face-to-face setting. And then the purpose of a public speech may be to entertain, to encourage, and to inspire. And then interview. An interview is a meeting in which a person or a panel of person who are the interviewers ask question from the interview. And then the last is meeting. Usually, a meeting involves many persons. There is a chairman or a leader who leads and guides the communication and maintain proper order. And also, there is a fixed agenda, for example, a list of issues to be discussed in the meeting. Well, that's all the explanation from me, and then the next slide is going to explain by Difa Maurina.
Written media or instrument. Written communication involves any type of message that makes use of the written word. Forms of written communication. First, emails. We use emails to send documents, set up meetings, confirm appointment, and contact job candidates. Second, proposal. Proposals are documents which outline upcoming projects. And the last is brochure. Brochure are literature that features your service. Nonverbal instrument. Nonverbal communication is the expression or exchange of information or message through without using any spoken or written word. Some of the forms of nonverbal communication instrument are facial expression, gesture, body language, proximity, touch, appearance, silence, paralinguistic, and eye contact. That's all from our group. Sorry for the mistakes. Thanks for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.